In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2i. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can get great results right away. The process has 3 parts. Define what you want to make, prepare your inputs, and generate the results. Start by defining your intent. Think about the purpose of the video you want Sora 2i to create, who it's for, and how you want it to feel. Clarify the subject, the setting, the style, and the tone. Decide whether you're aiming for something cinematic and dramatic, playful and energetic, or clean and instructional. A clear intent keeps your choices consistent and makes your final output look deliberate rather than random. If you have a brand or a theme to match, note the color, mood, pacing, and any must-have details before you move on. This upfront clarity is the difference between an okay result and a standout one. Now prep your inputs. Enter your prompt in plain, specific language. Describe the main subject, what's happening, where it takes place, and any stylistic cues. Strong prompts often include framing or composition notes, mood descriptors, and motion cues, like close-up portrait with soft natural light, or wide cityscape at golden hour with slow camera push-in. Keep it concise but rich in detail and avoid contradictions that might confuse the model. Attach a picture to guide the look if you have one that matches your intent. Choose a clear, high-quality image that focuses on the subject you want emphasized. If the image is busy, crop it so the main subject stands out. This helps Sora 2i anchor the visual style and improves consistency with your vision. Choose the orientation that fits where your video will live. Pick portrait for vertical platforms and stories, and landscape for widescreen viewing. Matching your orientation to your destination ensures your composition feels natural and avoids awkward cropping later. Set the duration to suit your message. Short durations are great for quick hooks and teasers, while longer durations give you room for storytelling or tutorials. Aim for the shortest length that still communicates your point cleanly, which helps keep viewers engaged. When your intent, prompt, image, orientation, and duration are ready, click Generate. Sora 2i will process your inputs and render a result. Rendering time can vary based on complexity, so give it a moment. When it's done, review the output against your original intent. If the result isn't quite right, refine your prompt to be clearer, adjust the orientation or duration, and generate again until it aligns with your goal. That's it. Define your intent, prepare smart inputs, and generate with confidence.